Now that former President Donald Trump has been charged with illegally trying to overturn the 2020 election, how will it affect his classified documents trial set for federal court in Fort Pierce next May?
Investigative reporter Dave Bowman here in studio tonight trying to answer that question. Dave?
Shannon Michael, a former federal prosecutor, says scheduling might be a challenge with Donald Trump's third indictment coming after he's set to be tried in New York State in March and on federal charges in Fort Pierce in May. But he says a federal case in D.C. could be over and done with before the classified documents case even gets underway.
Is this going to affect the Fort Pierce trial? Maybe not. This case could be set to go to trial in October of this year. Could be set in November of this year, December of this year.
Former federal prosecutor David Weinstein says the case against Donald Trump, accusing him of illegally trying to overturn the 2020 election, could go to court sooner than many expect. Weinstein says charges in D.C. have fewer pretrial issues to be hashed out than the Mar-a-Lago documents case. In Fort Pierce, classified documents need time-consuming reviews to determine how sensitive information can be handled in court. There's no classified material in the D.C. case. Weinstein says Trump's lawyers are likely to challenge the Mar-a-Lago search warrant. There are no search warrants in the elections case. Donald Trump faces 37 criminal counts in Fort Pierce, just 4 in D.C. And in the documents case, he has 2 co-defendants. In the elections case, he faces charges by himself.
As I stand here right now, it's a single defendant case, 4 counts, and a lot of overt acts. So it's something that the judge could push to go to trial inside of 6 to 8 months.
The former president has proclaimed his innocence in both investigations, and it may be a few more days before the federal judge in D.C. even sets a trial date. One element that could delay the recent D.C. charges if the special prosecutor returns with a superseding indictment that adds any or all of the 6 unnamed co-conspirators as criminal defendants.